Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1963 Dodge 330. Awesome car, guys. I bought this car from a guy down at a show. He's owned this car for over 20 years. Matter of fact, Eddie and I actually cruised this car for the weekend, drove it on the expressway. Awesome car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. It's all body color underneath. This car is just stunning. It's got a 440 cubic inch engine in it. It's got the Cross Ram intake on it. It's got Max Wedge heads. Car runs mid-12s, and yet, like I say, I drove it on the expressway. And I mean, it's just a turnkey, awesome car. Factory white car. It's got the turquoise interior, push button automatic, and man, just a fun car to drive. You can see the chrome and stainless is very nice on this car. Paint's beautiful. Again, super guy that we bought. They're actually husband and wife that we actually bought it from. Great car. Look how, that was the thing that was impressive to me, is all this trim and how nice it is on this car. Love the turquoise interior. Little touch-up mark there, you can see that. Other than that, man, there's not a whole lot to really pick, guys. This car is slick. Sorry, we got a bug on that. This is pretty cool. This is Spitzer Dodge out of Columbus, Ohio, where this car was actually bought new, and they still use the same logo. If you don't like that, it comes right off. He just glued it on. But to this day, matter of fact, I saw one down in Columbus. They still use that logo. Car's rock solid, straight down the sides. BF Goodrich CompTAs on the rear. It's got 8-inch rallies in the back, 7s on the front. Such a cool car. And again, if you look underneath this thing, gorgeous. It's all body color. Love the deep wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. He's converted it to disc brakes on the front, so it stops a little easier than with the factory drums. See that car in the wheel wells. Great car. Again, 440 block, Cross Ram intake and carbs. It's got Max Wedge heads, push button automatic trans. And again, the car runs mid-12s, runs 180s, 190s temp-wise, guys. Turn the key, drive it wherever you want to go, man. It's got the electronic ignition box on it. It is just a great car. He's got him in the trunk too. Matter of fact, I took a picture of him as well. He's got these vents you put on. He said if you run it at the track, it actually picks up time. How nice that car is. Gorgeous, gorgeous Mopar, guys. Just a great car. Again, Eddie and I cruised it, took it out to dinner a couple of times. Had it on the expressway. Good car. I will tell you one thing, as a matter of fact, it's showing, it's got the factory dash in it. There's your push button. Showing 59,940 on it. He's actually got the Speedo unhooked. Speedo works, but they don't, he changed the gear. Obviously it's got an 8 3/4 with a 355 in it. They don't remake the doggone gear to change, so when you drive it down the road, it's reading faster. Again, 8 3/4 rear end, 355 sure grip. Car's all body color in the trunk. He's relocated the battery. That's the little scoops we were talking about. Again, it's all body color in here. Beautiful car, man. Look at this thing underneath. Just beautiful. Said he actually had a bunch of cars and said this is the last one. Said him and his wife are going to start to travel. So he just isn't going to have time for the car. You see a little crack in the steering wheel. Dash is nice though, aftermarket tax, radio delete car. Get some aftermarket gauges. Got a Holly fuel pump on it. This thing just runs and drives awesome. It's got TTI headers, full exhaust on it. That is such a cool car. My dad loved these cars, man. Fuel gauge works. Like I say, the Speedo he's actually got unhooked. Alternator gauge up there works. And then the rest of the gauges are down there. Motor.
Feel like I'm getting anything.
No, I can't remember.
Oh. Yes.
It is work?
Yep.
I can't remember. I don't think we ever turned it on. It works. I love the front ends of these cars. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Man, that's a pretty son of a gun right there. Have a great day, guys.